DJI Mavic 3 Pro Cine. 3 lenses, 1 drone, 0 excuses. Hollywood in your backpack. You've got the vision, the hustle, and the drive, but you're stuck wrestling with drones that couldn't film a birthday party properly, let alone a cinematic masterpiece. You're dealing with jittery footage, battery anxiety, one sad little lens pretending it's Spielberg, and controllers that feel like Fisher-Price toys. Meanwhile, your creativity is bottlenecked by clunky tech that sucks time, energy, and motivation like a pixelated black hole. Every flight turns into a gamble. Will it crash? Will it record? Will the footage even be usable? You're not just tired, you're creatively handcuffed. That drone? It's not helping. It's holding you hostage. And the pain is growing. Every missed shot is another dent in your rep. You're not just delivering footage, you're selling a dream. So when that dream pixelates, buffers, or flat out vanishes mid-air, your soul and client list takes a hit. The deadlines are brutal, the edit's unforgiving, and your current setup is like editing with a potato. You need something that can fly fast, film smart, and flex with your creative madness. Right now, you're bleeding time on reshoots, wasting hours in post, and praying your footage doesn't scream budget. Stress, burnout, and shaky cams? That's your daily triple threat. But what if the drone wasn't the problem? What if it was the superhero you never summoned? Meet the DJI Mavic 3 Pro Cine with DJI RC Pro, the cinematic assassin that murders creative limitations on sight. With 3 glorious lenses, including a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad, dual telecameras, and Apple ProRes 422 HQ support baked into its 1TB SSD, this thing doesn't just film, it dominates. FAA Remote ID compliance keeps you legal, while 43 minutes of airtime, obstacle omni detection, and cruise control make each flight smoother than jazz on a Sunday. Your cinematic freedom? Officially unlocked. No more fumbling SD cards or chasing batteries like a caffeinated squirrel. This drone's got Wi-Fi 6 lightning transfer, focus track, quick shots, master shots, D-Log-M, and HLG support to simplify every step. Want buttery footage with insane depth, even at night? Done. Want to set a route and have it nail every frame autonomously? Waypoint Flight says, say less. Every feature screams pro but feels like cheat codes for creators. This is high-performance storytelling wrapped in carbon fiber wings. A flying genius that makes you look like a production god without needing a crew of 5 or a Hollywood budget. Time to quit apologizing for subpar drone footage and start flexing like you were born to direct. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro Cine is more than a tool, it's a force multiplier for serious creators who don't have time for excuses. If your content deserves cinematic elevation, this is the machine to take you there. Don't just fly. Ascend. Dominate the skies. Stun your audience. Book more gigs. Close more deals. Be the filmmaker people hire when they want it done right. Hit add to cart before your competition figures out what you just unlocked.